How to find the gradient of the line. The gradient of a line is defined by how many squares up we go or down over the number of squares towards the right. If we go up as we move towards the right, the numerator is positive. If we move down, it's negative. Here's our line here. The first thing we do is we look for 2 points where the line goes through the corner of the squares. That's here and here. We can't use this point because it's not going through the corner of our square. Once we've got those 2 points, we ask ourselves the question, going from left to right, how many squares across do we go? 3 in this case. That goes in the denominator. And also, to go from here to here, we went up 1. Let's look at this line here. 2 points where it goes through the corner of the squares is here and here. To go from here to here, we went across 1. That's our denominator. And we went up 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your numerator. 4 divided by 1 is 4. That's our gradient. If someone else had chosen this point and this point, and again both of these points are where it goes through the corner of the square, they would have gone across 2 and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 over 2 is also 4, which is what we had here. So it doesn't matter which 2 points we use, just as long as the 2 points are at the corner of the squares. This line here, we're going from here to here. To do that, we went across 2, that's our denominator, and we went down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's our numerator. So it's negative 5 upon 2. It's negative because we went down as we moved towards the right. This line here, 2 points where it goes through the corner of the squares is here and here. To go from here to here, we went to the right 1, 2, 3, that's our denominator, and we went down 2, that's our numerator. The higher gradient means the steeper the line is. So if we look over here, this line's got a gradient of 4, this one here is 1/3, 4 is greater than 1/3, so this line is steeper than this one. If the line rises as we move to the right, the gradient is positive. So these two have got positive gradients. As we move from left to right, the line went up. These two here, on the other hand, as we move from left to right, they went down, so the gradient is negative. If we see a horizontal line, write the gradient as 0. If we see a vertical line, the gradient is infinite or undefined.